Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Vanguard not opening so you can launch the game without crashes or startup errors. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can often block the game from opening. Next, open battle.net and verify the game files to repair any missing or corrupted data. After that, run both Battle.net and the game as administrator to avoid permission issues. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can prevent launch. Another important step is to disable overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Battle.net overlay, because they can interfere with startup. Also, check your antivirus or firewall and make sure Vanguard is allowed. Make sure Windows is fully updated for better compatibility. Finally, restart your PC and try launching the game again, and it should open normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.